Welcome to Garden-Wise Adventures. My name is Malie. I live in Utah, Zone 6/7. It's the middle of January and it's a cold but beautiful day. Now in this video today I wanted to talk to you a little bit about gardening and why I think you should garden. Now I have always loved gardening. I've loved gardening for many different reasons. And I was really excited to see a lot of people also pick up the love of gardening during COVID. Now, since that time, it seems like the gardening interest has peaked and is starting to wane a little bit. And I think there are many different reasons. So I wanted to do a series of videos talking about why you should continue gardening, why it's important to garden, and also what the joys and benefits of gardening are. And as part of that, I'm going to do several videos that talk about making gardening more accessible. I think there are some people out there who feel like they don't have enough property, or they don't have enough time, or they don't have enough money, and they're not able to garden. And there are a lot of things that you can do that can overcome those obstacles so that you can garden no matter what your circumstances are. So today, the first thing I wanted to talk about is the physical benefits of gardening. Now, I think everybody knows that gardening is very physically healthy for you, so I wanted to talk about the physical benefits of gardening that I see myself. Now, the first thing is obvious to everybody. It is very physically healthy because you're exercising. To me, gardening gives me a reason to exercise. I'm not the kind of person who can sit in a gym and do stationary things where I'm doing repetitive exercises. To me, it feels like I'm not really actually accomplishing anything. Now, don't come after me because I know that you are accomplishing things in gym, you are making yourself healthier. But to me, I need to feel like I am moving forward, that I'm moving around, that I'm outside, that I'm actually doing something besides just exercising. When I'm out gardening, I'm doing lifts and squats and walking and doing things that are healthy, but that are also enjoyable to me. So gardening can be a reason to get you out and be physically healthy. Now, when I first moved into this house, I was a single mom. It was in 2007. I had 3 young kids, and I knew I was going to need to work full-time and knew I was going to be exhausted, but I needed to have a way to be able to want to be outside and want to exercise. So the very first thing I did when I moved into my house was plan out a footprint of what I wanted to do in my yard and then start creating garden beds. And that has really helped me ever since. When I get home from work, I am so excited to go out and see my garden that I'm willing to go out and start weeding. I'm willing to go out and move things around and just walk and be outside. Another health benefit of being outside is another obvious thing, and that's the sunshine that you get. Now, I know that you need to be careful getting too much sun. You need to protect yourself, use a hat or sunscreen. But sun also provides vitamin D and can really, really lift your mood and be a stress reduction. Sunshine is vital to you, and having a garden makes it more fun to be outside in the sun. Now, as you can, I don't know if you can see the snowflakes. Gardens can also get you out even when it's cold. So gardening can create reasons to be outside and to exercise all year round, no matter where you are. Another health benefit of gardening is if you decide to grow your own food. Growing your own food not only gives the health benefits of the exercise that you do, but the food that you grow is fresher, it tastes better, it makes you want to eat healthier. And personally, even though I don't know if the studies show it, I think homegrown foods are more nutritionally dense. And depending on what you grow and how much area you have, you can grow a wide variety of fruits and vegetables, maybe things that you don't find in the store. So for me, gardening is very important because of the physical health benefits it brings. And I would love to hear your thoughts on the physical health benefits of gardening and why you like to garden. So hopefully this video has been helpful for you. If it has been helpful, I hope you like, subscribe, share it with your friends, and go have a wonderful gardening adventure.